Hello, welcome to the tutorial. Today we're going to look at 6 different cheats, cheats that are often used inside of Minecraft. The 6 cheats that I'm going to show you today are changing the difficulty level, the time, the weather, giving items to yourself or to others, summoning mobs and animals, and also the kill cheat. So I'll show you 6 different cheats in this tutorial. Let's go ahead and get started. Cheat number 1. The cheat number 1 is difficulty. To change that, you type in difficulty, and then you would type in a number, any number between 0 and 3. If you type in 0, it's going to give you peaceful. 1 will make it easy. 2 is normal, and 3 is hard. Whoops. Alright, because I'm not trying to get myself killed here, I'll go ahead and reset it back to 0. We are in peaceful mode now. So that's how you change it. It's just the command / difficulty and then a number 1 through 3. The next command is a time command. To do that, I'm going to have to see the sun. There's the sun way up there. Alright, so let's go ahead and change the time. To change the time, you say time set, and then you choose a number. 0 will bring the sun back down to the ground. There you go. Let's do it. Whoop. Just brought the sun down again. You can also set the time to being, later on in the day. Let's say 5,000, something like that. Whoop. There, we're bringing it way up there. Okay, so that's a way to change the time. You can change it across the board. Now, you can also set the time to being, let's change it to nighttime, or changing it to the daytime. So that's different time changers that you can have. So that's a really nice and useful cheat. Alright, cheat number 3. Let's look out over the water for this one. We're going to change the weather. The cheat is weather, and then you decide what you want it to be. It can be one of 3 things basically. Rainy weather, which is super fun if you're trying to put out a fire, for example. Like hypothetically, if you accidentally set your son's Minecraft house on fire, you would want to maybe set a bit of a rainstorm to put that fire out in a nice, easy way. You can also bring in some thunder. Just give it a minute. Gets dark. Gets scary. Ooh, yeah. See some lightning. Come on, give me some lightning. Give me some lightning! Oh, Minecraft, you're letting me down. Not seeing any lightning. That's too bad. Alright. And then the command weather clear makes the weather nice and cleared up for you. There we go. So that is changing the difficulty, changing the time, changing the weather. Now I'm going to get into probably what I think is the most complicated of all the commands, and that's the give command. The give command allows you to give items to yourself. So you can give yourself a block of sand, for example. And then you would say give, and then you would say your username, or you can press the tab button and it'll set your name as the default. Sand, and then however many you want. Let's say I want 14 of them. There, I've got 14 sand. In the computer mode, which is the mode I'm using right now, I'll give myself snow just as an example. If you go over 64, it'll give you an error and say that you can only give 64 at a time. In Pocket Edition, you can give multiple thousand and fill someone's inventory up, which is really fun in multiplayer. Alright, so you can do that. And again, in multiplayer, you would say give and then choose someone else's name. My username is EJBuff, so that would be mine in there. You can also give yourself more complicated things, like be specific and say an iron sword, for example. And you would get an iron sword. You can give yourself multiple. When you are doing plural, you wouldn't say give myself diamonds 64. It's just diamond 64, and that will work as well. And let's see. Whoops. Let's do one more. One more thing is with weapons, you can only give a limit of 1. If I was giving snowballs, I think they have a limit of 16, so we'll try 17. Oh, it didn't recognize snowball. That's one word, rats. There. So if you're giving snowballs, then you would have to give it in a number that's less than 16. There's a couple items that will do that. So if I did say 16, I would give myself 16 snowballs. So again, knowing the exact numbers of where things are limited is a lot of trial and error. And then the biggest thing I think is that I make errors at is when I'm trying to say something like diamond helmet, you have to have that underscore in between the two words so that it's one solid word. Then you will give yourself that diamond helmet. All right, so that's the command of give. When it comes to giving potions or enchanted items or things of that nature, personally, I just give myself the raw resources and then go and craft. It's up to you though, but to find those specifics, they can get pretty complicated in the line of the cheat. So I would check the wiki, the Minecraft wiki for more specific information if you're looking to summon or to give yourself I don't know, like an enchanted diamond sword with sharpness of 5 or something like that. You would have to look up the exact specifics of what to type in to get those. And it is limited. Some things you can't just give to yourself. But the raw resources you generally can. And some raw resources, one here I'll show you, that I like to have is lapis. And for that, you can actually get a block of it. And you can get 64 blocks of it, which gives you tons of lapis, more than you'll use in a very long time. So you can summon blocks as well instead of just regular raw items. All right, so that was the give cheat. The other cheat I wanted to show you was summon. If you want to bring animals into the world, this is when I use summon. So you can just type in the type of animal that you want. Oh! Look, I gave birth to a chicken. Lucky me. All right. You can also summon unnatural animals like... Ah! Get away from me, crazy polar bear. All right. All right, so you can summon all sorts of different animals into this world. I want to show you one thing, though. If you say summon horse, you can't like bring 5 or 6 horses in all at the same time. Get out of there, Bucky. Nice. Okay, thanks. You can bring a horse or a chicken or a polar bear, whatever, at one time, but you can't summon like 5,000 of them. So it's quite time consuming to summon animals if you're looking for a herd. All right. The final cheat I want to show you is the kill cheat, and I needed some animals to show this. Sorry guys, you're about to go. You can choose to kill animals, you can choose to kill people. If you just say kill, it will be a default of killing yourself, so you don't want to do that. But if you want to kill everything except for the players, this is kind of a fun cheat here. This is the title that you would do that. You would say the type and basically not players, and it'll kill everything. Look at that. It got rid of all 3 of them. Okay. So you can kill using the... I killed a minecart. Look, do you see all those things I killed? I killed redstone. I killed seeds. I killed rails. I killed golden apples. Look at all the stuff I killed. I killed everything except players. So everything just died. Nice. And to end this tutorial, you can also kill yourself. All right, so that's a tutorial on... Ooh, get my lapis back. That was a tutorial on how to change the difficulty, the time, the weather, to giving, the cheat of give and the cheat of summon. Also a little bit about the cheat of kill. Cheat of kill is also fun when you're playing multiplayer because you can put in someone else's name here, like enemy, and you can take them out too. But again, the default is that it will kill you, so be careful with that one. All right, hope that tutorial was helpful for you. Have a wonderful day.